ఉచిత రేషన్ బియ్యం పథకాన్ని మార్చి వరకు పెంచుతూ కేంద్ర కేబినెట్ నిర్ణయం తీసుకుంది. మంత్రివర్గ నిర్ణయాలను అనురాగ్ ఠాకూర్ మీడియాకు వివరిస్తున్నారు. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
औपचारिकताएं पूरी हो गई और अब जैसे ही विंटर सेशन की शुरुआत होगी वहां पर भी प्राथमिकता के तौर पर ये करने का काम किया जाएगा. If you could see in the last more than 20 months, we have seen that the poor, even the middle class families, they have suffered, not here but globally as well. And one of the reasons to help the poor families was to give them food grains. And that is what we have distributed to the state governments. And as I said earlier, more than 600 lakh metric ton has been sanctioned, and out of that 541 lakh metric ton has been disbursed already and distributed. We still feel as the economy is getting back on track, the figures are looking much better. At the same time, Prime Minister wants to help those poor families who have gone through this COVID-19 pandemic, so that for the next 4 months they should be helped and the food grains should be given to them. और पूरी दुनिया भर में शायद भारत एक ऐसा देश है जहां पर निर्धन गरीब के लिए इस तरह से खाद्यान्न उपलब्ध कराने की प्रक्रिया को पूरा भी किया गया. केवल घोषणा ही नहीं की बल्कि उसको जन जन तक पहुंचाने का काम भी किया है.
Mr. Thakur, if I can ask you, sir, this is Parikshit from CNBC. The government has been holding consultations on cryptocurrencies with various stakeholders. The standing committee has also taken up this matter. Is the government now ready with a bill that will be brought in this session, and how will you balance need for innovation and also threats of money laundering and terror financing?
On the cabinet briefing day, we take the questions only related to the cabinet decisions.
So my question to you is on, somebody asked you on the other demands, but I'm specifically asking you on the issue of legalizing MSP. You said you will start the procedure for repealing the laws, but will the government also bring in a bill for legalizing or giving the legal assurance of MSP? That seems to be the prime demand right now.
Let me just say one thing. On 19th, Prime Minister announced, and today we fulfilled the formalities. And at the same time, as I said, in the upcoming winter session, the priority will be to take these bills and repeal them at the earliest. What has been decided, I have informed you. And I think you are waiting on the 19th and when the process will be completed. So at the earliest, within 5 days, we have done so.